The Bank of Canada held their overnight rate at 2.25%. It's remained there since December of last year. The bank announced that the Canadian economy is starting to show some early signs of improvement, especially when compared to the last year, which has been a pretty rough year for the economy. However, if we look at things, there is still a lot of uncertainty around the US trade policy, which does pose a significant risk to our economy. Canada's labor market improved in July, adding 75,000 jobs and bringing the unemployment rate down to 6.4% for the national average. If we look at stuff more locally, Kitchener-Waterloo, Cambridge region, their unemployment rate dropped from 8.5 to 8.1, while Guelph's unemployment rate edged up just slightly from 7.5 to 7.6%. Tariffs remain the biggest uncertainty to the Canadian economy right now. Canada and the US are actively negotiating and sending proposals back and forth, trying to reach the August 19th deadline. It's unlikely they're going to come to an agreement by the deadline, but the hopes is at least that President Trump will extend opposed to implementing the tariffs. For the real estate market, stable interest rates and improving employment rates are good for the housing market. However, specifically for Guelph and the Tri-City regions, since we have a lot of manufacturing exposure, the US trade agreement is going to be a very big determining factor for how our real estate market performs over the next few years.